Hi, I'm Dr. Martin, and I'm a chiropractor from Michigan, and I'm visiting here on vacation, and I met Dr. John and had NCR treatments. This is my fourth one, and I found a lot of changes as far as in dealing with the cranium and dealing with as far as even the top of my palate. I'm usually blocked on one side as far as my sinuses, and I can immediately feel the differences as far as opening things up as far as in my sinuses and being able to breathe much easier. I'm looking forward to seeing some of the structural changes that are going to be going on and coming up here in the next few days.
Great. So what kind of things were going on with you before you had the treatment done?
I had a loss of smell. I couldn't smell for years now, ever since remodeling my kitchen, and now I'm getting some sense of smells back. I had loss of, as far as sinuses would drain from one side to the next. I couldn't breathe on both sides of my nostril.
Great. Now you've been a chiropractor for how many years?
20 years now.
20 years, and you've traveled a lot, and you've seen a lot of different techniques. And
yes, I have.
And what do you think about NCR as far as?
I would love to study this technique and to learn it myself. This is very unique. I have studied quite a few different techniques, and this is completely different than anything that I've experienced before.
Mm-hmm. So anybody that might be having any type of issues with sinuses or headaches or jaw pain or any head pain at all, would you recommend them exploring this type of treatment?
Definitely, by all means. Especially with the realignment as far as the cranial bones and the temporal bones to help realign the jaw, by all means. It wasn't bad. The pain only lasted for a second or two, and then immediately getting up, you felt like you could breathe easier and felt much more relief.
So you immediately felt an opening and a shift.
Yes.
Cool. Do I have your permission to show this to other people that might be looking into?